Now, when you first walk into the gym and there are dumbbell rows and barbell racks, complex machines, it can make weightlifting seem like a pretty intimidating and confusing affair. Now, I'm not saying that weightlifting machines are the only way to get fit, but they are an excellent tool to teach your body how to move properly. When you first begin weightlifting, your muscles and your joints will need to lift manageable loads. You'll also need to use simple to perform introductory movements. The best place to begin for the first 6 to 8 weeks of your program will be with machines. Comprised of a series of adjustable weights, pulleys, and levers, a weight machine will guide your body through a basic movement, while still making you do enough work to get good results. Because a machine has those pulleys and levers, all you have to do is move your joints through a guided movement, with very little guesswork about what all your different body parts should be doing. In other words, you can focus on fitness and not on having to balance, jump, duck, lunge, twist, or do any of those other potentially brain and muscle confusing movements. Most gyms have enough machines to target each of those pulling and pushing muscles. Here are my 5 quick and dirty tips for utilizing machines. Number 1, adjust the seat. Before getting started, make sure each machine's seat is at the right setting for you. That will vastly improve the comfort and effectiveness of your exercises. If you're a short person, choose a high seat setting. If you're tall, choose a low seat setting. And if you're medium, well, you get the idea. Quick and dirty tip number 2, work all of your muscle groups. When you lift weights, you should use a number of different machines to target all your muscle groups in one single workout. Do this same routine 2 to 3 days per week. A good place to start will be with 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions for every machine exercise. Quick and dirty tip number 3, don't rest in between machines. In between exercises, don't sit and rest for 60 seconds while chatting with your friend or nosing around a magazine. Instead, move directly to the next exercise so that one muscle group is working while another is resting. You'll get way more bang for your buck, and you'll maximize the effectiveness of your time at the gym. Just make sure to wipe up after yourself as you go. Quick and dirty tip number 4, follow the rule of 3. If, after doing 12 reps, you feel like you could keep going for more than 3 reps above that, such as doing 15 reps, then you should probably increase the weight a little. And you can easily change the weight by moving a pin up and down the stack on the weight machine. If you can't get within 3 reps of 12 without having to stop and rest, then you should probably decrease the weight or make an appointment with a really good massage therapist to work on you the next day. Quick and dirty tip number 5, remember to breathe. If you don't breathe while lifting weights, you can build up potentially dangerous internal pressure. So follow this simple rule. Breathe out while you're pushing something away from you or pulling something towards you, and breathe in while you're returning that something back to its original position. That is actually a pretty good rule to follow whether you're picking up a box in your garage or using a weightlifting machine. Now that I've given you my top 5 tips for using weightlifting machines, here is a sample routine to get you started. Exercise number 1, machine chest press. For this upper body pushing machine, you sit down, grip a pair of handles, and then push your arms out and away from your body. Exercise number 2, machine pull downs. For this upper body pulling machine, you sit down, lean back, and then pull a bar down towards your torso until the bar touches your chest. Exercise number 3, machine shoulder press. This is very similar to the chest press, except you press up instead of out. Exercise number 4, machine seated rows. For this upper body pulling machine, you'll be doing the exact opposite motion of the chest press by pulling the weight towards your body. Exercise number 5, machine leg press. Consider this your lower body pushing exercise. Lie down, bend your knees, plant your feet on a platform, and simply press your legs away from your body. Exercise number 6, machine leg curls. There are 2 variations of this low body pulling machine. On one variation of the machine, you're lying on your stomach with a pad against the back of your ankles and contracting your leg muscles to bring your heels towards your butt. On the other variation of this machine, you're doing the same movement, but you're sitting down rather than lying on your stomach.